So here we are with Sanjiv ji again, and at the middle of the year, Sanjiv ji always gives us a lot of tips as to how we can reduce our taxable income for the current year. So Sanjiv ji, I think this year mid-year webinar is in August, correct?
Yes,
Uh,
August the 12th.
I think it's August 19th. It was right after August 15th, so that's how I remember that. And once again, it's free, doesn't cost you anything. Just go on sanjeevcpa.com and register. You can join it from anywhere in the world. So Sanjeev, if you don't mind, give us some of the things that you plan on covering in this upcoming webinar.
Yes, so we'll be focusing in this webinar mainly on few areas like W2 income. People are W2 employees and they have got stock options, RSUs, ESPPs, ISOs, and how to mitigate the tax impact on them, how much to exercise so that they don't get into higher tax brackets. So what are the strategies relating to that? How to avoid AMTs with respect to W2 income? How to take advantage of doing some kind of moonlighting work, or we call it side hustle. How to start that business or side hustle so that you can circumvent the taxes on the W2. And so how are we going to start? How that will benefit in your total income scenario? We have to look into the real estate tips. Now, real estate is a big thing. Everybody is invested in real estate, but how to use the real estate to their advantage, like short-term rental versus long-term rentals, Airbnb. People do a lot of them versus passive activity versus active activity. How to convert losses, how to use those losses from real estate, and how to benefit from those losses. Of course, if people are buying a lot of primary home, first-time home buyers are there. They are always asking this question: what are the ways I can use that to my advantage for lowering my taxes? What are the ways to lower those taxes? What are the rules, regulation with respect to that? So we're going to cover that. Then, of course, there's retirement accounts planning that we have the IRA, Roth IRA. People get confused between 401k and Roth 401k, how much to contribute, what are the benefits of that one. We were going to talk about mega backdoor Roth, how that is going to grow your wealth tax free. And of course, we are going to talk about the business owners. We're going to talk about a lot of things about business like 179 deductions, depreciation, bonus depreciation, how to buy real estate in business so that they can use the bonus depreciation which is still there. What about buying, selling businesses? What about how to use the ERC credits? How to use other credits which are available for business owners? How to maximize deduction for business owners? So it will be a wholesome picture. It will be a full webinar with a lot of tips relating to each individual scenarios and generally, and then also looking at business side too.
And Sanjeev ji, I think last time you and me were talking, you were mentioning something about remainder charitable trust. Are you going to be
CRT? Yeah, CRTs and CGATs we call it. CRT is a charitable remainder trust and charitable remainder unit trust. CRT, correct? We call it correct. So how to use that? So if you have valuable stocks and you put in those trusts, how can you maximize? How can you get a tax deduction as well as grow the money tax free, and at the same time give money to the charity when you die? So and transfer wealth to your beneficiaries. Yeah, we're going to talk about that.
So as you guys can see, Sanjeev ji always have a lot of stuff on his plate. So once again, please go to sanjeevcpa.com and register for the webinar, and we will see you guys there.
Thank you.